In this video, I'll demonstrate how to set a PIN for your CIBC credit card. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your CIBC online banking account. You can do this by visiting the CIBC website and logging in with your online account credentials. Alternatively, you can use their mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the section of the online banking platform that manages credit card settings. This section may be labeled as Credit Cards Manage Cards or something similar. Select the specific credit card for which you want to set a PIN from the list of your linked cards. Access the PIN settings within the credit card settings. Look for an option related to PIN settings or security settings, which may be labeled as Set PIN, Change PIN, or similar. Set a new PIN by clicking on the PIN settings option and following the instructions on the screen to choose a 4-digit PIN of your choice. Ensure it's unique and not easily guessable. Confirm your new PIN by entering it again. Double-check for accuracy. Complete the process. Once you've confirmed your new PIN, the online banking platform will process the request and update your credit card's PIN. Test your PIN to ensure it's set correctly. Use your credit card at a point-of-sale terminal or ATM that requires a PIN. Verify that the PIN you set is accepted and allows you to complete the transaction. If you found this video helpful, thanks for watching.